Hello everyone, you're welcome back. This is CC's Apparel. I really appreciate you all for always stopping by. In my previous video, I taught you guys how to attach side pocket on our pants. I hope you guys understand very well. So in today's edition, I'm going to teach you how to make this bubu. Some people call it kaftan, whichever one you want to call it, okay. But it's bubu, so and it's very simple as you can see, very beautiful and neat. So I'm going to teach you how to do that now. So let's quickly get back to work.
So I'm making use of 4 yards fabric. So after sharing it into two equal parts, then I folded it into two, placing the front and the back borders. I want to cut the two together. So and I have my little shoulder slanting. So these two lines you are seeing, they are the hip line and the knee line. So from the shoulder I measure 25 inches for the hip line. Then the knee line, that is, I think the knee is 40 inches. So the two lines you need. So my knee line now, I'm going to measure 11 and a half inches, which is 46. 46 divided by 4, 11 and a half inches. Then from there I will just curve. I will just give it little shape like to the hip line. Give it a little shape like that to the hip line. So why I use 46 on the knee line is because I don't want the knee area to be too tight, and I don't want it to be too wide. So I think the length of the dress is 62. So I'm using the whole fabric length. So you're going to cut it. You cut it off like this. So don't mind me, I'm using a small table. So that is why um I wasn't able to show everything like this. So now the neckline, I'm going to measure 4 inches wide, then 4 inches downward. It's just a round neck. Both the front and back is going to carry the same shape. So we just cut it off like this. It's gonna have a round neck. So now I'm just going to drag it up to complete the full length measurement, as you can see. So on the knee line I have 11 and a half inches. So on the down part now I'm going to add additional 1.5 inch extension, so that it will come in form of a shape at the down part. So here now I'm making 13 inches. So you connect it to that knee line, then you're going to cut it off. So after cutting it off like this, so all you just need to do now is just place the front on the back, then you join it around like this. You're going to sew on the side, just sew it around. And then this upper part now, depending on where you want the hand to come out from, so you can measure 8 inches from here. Just leave 8 inches open, then you join this other side. Or maybe you sew right from the shoulder line, just sew it, then you can leave the 8 inches on this other side. All you need to do is just pipe the neckline, on that side. Then this one you are going to sew. You can leave 8 inches here or the other side. The hand can also come out from this side. It can come out from the other side. So depending on where you want the hand to come out from. So you're going to leave 8 inches open, then you close every other thing, either on the shoulder line or on this other side line. So it's either you pipe the neck, you leave the upper parts open. So after joining both the front and the back together. This is what you're going to have. Yeah, I leave the 8 inches open on the side, not on the shoulder line. Then I close every other thing. Close. It's as simple as that. Within 5 minutes, you're done with it. This is the down part, and you're good to go. As you can see, very beautiful. Thank you everybody for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. See you in my next video.